Now everything is fine, friends.
Yes,
Hmm.
fine.
Yeah. Now invalid. This is invalid situation. Invalid situation. Okay. Fine. Now, guys. Fine. Now again, I'm asking one more question. I'm asking, guys. Okay. One more question. So now my question is, can can we declare can we declare abstract method as a, what is that, const as a const is nothing but what is that? In the Java we are saying that final, guys. In the Java final, in the Java final, in the TypeScript constant, in the TypeScript constant, const is nothing but constant. In the Java we are saying that final keyword. The final keyword working functionality in the TypeScript same only, right?
Cannot.
So, or if you're not understanding, I'm creating this one, but I will use keyword as a const only. Now I'm writing here what is it? Final. Now can we declare abstract method as a final? My question is this one only. Final is nothing but
No.
final is nothing but what is that? Constant only, guys. Constant.
Constant.
Hmm. So now tell me, guys. Hmm?
No.
Hmm?
Final, not possible to
Yes, we
override.
can.
Because we want to implement that. That
Very
will
good.
fix it.
Very good. We cannot able to
No, no.
override. We cannot able to override final
Override the final
method.
method.
Final method. Answer is what is that? Answer is
No.
no. Answer is no.
No.
No. Because it should be allowed to override, right? Overridden in subclass. Overridden in subclass, right? In subclass. For example, now let's take it. In the Java final is there, but in here what is that? Const is there.
Const is there.
Now here what it's saying that a class members cannot have the const keyword. Const keyword in the TypeScript, what is that? In abstract class there is no const keyword, so that is the reason it's giving what? Error. Now example. Now this one is what is that? Invalid. This is the invalid situation. This is what is that? Invalid, right? Invalid situation. This is what is that? Invalid situation. Okay, fine. Now, guys, so now let's take one more question. Let's prepare one more question, guys. So my question is can we declare abstract method as private?
No.
No.
What is the answer?
Only it's class only accessible private. Protector or public it will access the subclasses.
No, no.
No.
Private not possible to access.
Very good. Only 2 members I'm getting. See, after a long time onward, Raj is backing in the session. I think she was busy with her marriage, right? Sorry for that. You invited me, but actually due to my heavy work, I didn't able to came in your marriage. Sorry for that. Now, but the thing is, guys, see,
No
once
problem.
after a long time onward, she backed, right? She is working in the cab Germany. And now she is responding like how previously she was responding now, but you guys are continuously listening our session, but you are not responding. What I can understand about this one means I'm not teaching good, like you guys are not getting interest. Tell me, guys.
Teaching good.
So
Teaching good.
if you tell
Interest
now,
also good.
if you tell, then I can create the interest also. If you guys are feeling bored, then I can crack the jokes also, na? But what is that? Until unless if you guys are not opening by laying the bed, right? If you are listening the session, then interest will not come. Be active. Sit in the like chair. Then if you listen the session or things, then the things will come to you, guys. Only one things, guys. Without investing your, what is that? without investment of something, right? You cannot get something. So that is the reason what I'm saying that, like if you want what is that bright future, good future, see how much you are getting, that is the secondary thing, guys. In IT industry, I know that good pay scale salary will be there. 10 lakh, 15 lakh, within the 10 lakh, 15 lakh or 20 lakh packages also, if you are what is that happy, then there is no one can help you. But if your dream is big, then you need to what? Do hard work, guys. Okay, everything will fall down when the time will come, guys. But the thing is, be ready for that. What is that challenge? Because if you are reaching once your experience, if your experience is increasing, if you are not skilled, then what is that? At the time also, the company will kick you, because your experience is 10 years and you have the knowledge of what is that 1 year guy, then who will take you? No one, right? Then hiring, compared to hiring you, freshers is good now, because company will pay you 20 lakh package and a fresher will get what is that three initial package of what is that fresher only 3.6. with your package, what is that four or five candidate company can hire, right? They are the businessman, guys. Okay, be careful. No one is giving the salary by seeing the faces, right? They need skills, and you need to what? See why I'm remembering these people name only every time, because they are responding, and don't think about that what is that they are girl or they are women, that is the reason. I'm no, in the session, gender is I'm giving what is that equality of all gender, female and male also. For me, both are the same only, guys. But the thing is, why I'm giving more response about them, because they are continuously responding. Only responses is more important than anything else for me, guys. Okay, if you want right, if you want what is that to take what is your name also in the session, then respond it. Once if I see that this person is responding, then I only recognize that person, and I will take his name also whenever I'm taking different examples. Now, okay, now leave it all those things, guys. Now can we declare abstract method as a private?
No.
No,
No.
right?
No.
No, because
Because we can't access the private method of
it should be inherited to subclass, inherited to subclass, right? It should inherited to subclass. Now let's take it. Now here, what is that? What I'm doing now, I'm taking private. Now again it's saying that what? Again it's saying that private modifier cannot be used with abstract class. Cannot use with what is that? Abstract class. This is also invalid situation. This one also invalid situation now. Now invalid, right? Invalid. Now fine. Now okay. Now what are the legal modifier? Okay, these many modifier I taken, but what is the legal modifier we can take in the abstract class method? So now what are the legal modifiers, right? Modifiers allowed in what is that? In combination with what? With what is that? Abstract modifier. Abstract modifiers, right? Abstract modifiers. Come on, guys. Abstract modifiers. Now answer is what?
Protected and public.
Only two modifiers. Only
public and
modifiers
protected.
allowed. Only two modifiers allowed with abstraction, right? Abstraction. What are those? They are guys. First one is
Public
what
and
is that?
protected.
First one is public Another one is what? Another one is protected. Protected, right? These two modifier only allowed, guys. Only allowed. Okay. Now, if I'm taking what is that? Abstract, again abstract, it is allowed. Just assume that here what is that? Private is there now. I'm taking again, instead of taking what is that? Abstract. What is that? Again, I'm taking abstract. Abstract, abstract M1. It is allowed, Anu. Hmm?
Yes.
No,
That is allowed, Anu. If I'm
no,
taking
no. Only one time.
only one time, it is allowed.
One
Guys.
time.
Only one time allowed.
One
Now
time.
I'm taking what is that? Abstract and abstract. Now what is saying now? What is saying now? Abstract
Not allowed.
modifier
Already seen.
already seen. Means what is that? Already abstract modifier is there. Then why you are taking again? Compiler is saying this one only. So don't only one time abstract keyword is allowed now, guys. Only one time abstract keyword is allowed now. So if we take again, then what is that? It will lead what? It will lead compile time error. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, fine now, guys. So what I'm doing now? Some combination I'm writing. Some combination I'm writing now, guys. Recognize it and tell me the answer. That is the correct combination. That is the right combination and or wrong combination, right? So identify valid abstract method declaration from what is that? From the list. Okay, some list I'm taking, right? From the list I'm taking. Now what is that? I will not take here. I will take here now. Okay, guys. Now this is the abstract class. In this abstract class, what I'm going to do now? Some combination I'm going to write it. Tell me, guys. Abstract. I'm taking abstract because based on this theory explanation, I want to know that how much you guys are catching. I'm taking M1 colon void. Now this is the valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid.
It's valid.
Valid because it's having abstract keyword as well as what is that? Abstract method declaration prototype is
Declaration.
perfect, right? This is the perfect.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Now what I'm taking now? Again, I'm taking abstract. I'm taking M2 method, right? And the return type I'm taking number. This is valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid.
Number is written.
Valid. Just a minute, guys. Hello. Yeah, tell me. Oh, sorry for that. I'll call you back. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now here, what is that? Abstract method. M2 return type. I'm taking number. Now this is valid or invalid?
Valid.
Okay, fine. Now tell me, guys. I'm taking static abstract. Now I'm taking M3 method. Now tell me, this is valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid.
Why this is
Invalid.
invalid? Why this is invalid, guys?
Because
It's not override.
override.
Not allowed to override.
Sorry, override.
Not allowed to override.
Not allowed to override. Why this line is invalid? I'm asking why this one is invalid.
Because we are using static keywords, so we can't.
Yeah.
Not allowed in abstract.
Abstract is the
All Ramayana is completed, guys, and you are saying
cannot be instantiated even though static keyword cannot be used.
now only I'm explaining now. In the abstract class, what is that? Static keyword is not allowed. Simple.
Static keyword is
Yes,
not
not
allowed.
Not allowed.
Now tell me guys. Now tell me guys what I'm taking now. Const. I'm taking what is that? Abstract. I'm taking what is that? M4. M4. Now let's take void. This is a valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Why this is
Final.
invalid? Why this is?
Final.
That's
We
final.
can't use
Final
the
is
const
not
keyword
Possible
because
to
of
abstract.
static.
not allow.
Because const keyword is not allowed. Simple.
Const are not allowed.
Yeah, because final we cannot declare what is that abstract method as a final, right?
Final.
Now,
Final method.
okay, now private. I'm taking what is that? I'm taking, let's take private. Private, right? Private. Abstract, right? Private, abstract. I'm taking what is that? M5. This is valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid.
Private is there.
Invalid.
Very good.
Invalid.
This is valid or invalid? If invalid, why it is invalid?
Invalid.
Why?
Private
Invalid.
modifier we can't
It's
use
allow
the
protect and
method.
public only. Access modifier.
Sometimes we have created subclass.
Don't tell subclass, superclass, guys, by seeing this line. What is
Can't
it?
use the private
Private.
Just only answer.
keywords can't use.
Just your answer should be what is that? We cannot use private. That is the reason
Private.
I'm saying. That is the reason I'm giving, guys. Okay. I'm not. What is the why we cannot declare private and all those things? Already we completed. Just what is that? I'm declaring our abstract method. Just tell private. Directly your answer will be in the abstract class, private we cannot take. In the abstract class, constant we cannot take. In abstract class, sorry, in abstract method, static we cannot take. Directly this answer you need to give. Right? Now, okay. Now what I'm taking now, guys? Now protected. I'm taking what is that? Protected. Abstract M6. I'm taking what is that? M6. Now protected M6. Now void. I'm taking what is that? Void. Now this is valid or invalid?
Valid.
Hmm?
Valid.
Valid. Why this is valid?
Protected
Also
allowed.
Protected is allowed with abstract.
Very good.
Because
Because protected is allowed. Okay, I'm taking what is that?
Allowed.
Public. I'm taking what is that? Public abstract. I'm taking what is that? M7. Now I'm taking what is that? Void. Now this is valid or invalid?
valid. Public also allowed.
Why this is valid?
Public allowed.
Public.
Yeah, because public allowed, guys. Okay, simple. If you are sitting in interview like that, related to abstraction, they will give. Okay, in between you can, if you are doing the mistake, then that person will know that he don't have any knowledge about it, right? He won't have any knowledge about it. So that is the reason, guys. Okay, I don't want what is that we can override or not, we can overload or not. Already those discussion is completed. Based on those discussion only I prepared these things now. So that is the reason I'm asking. Till simple abstract M1 void. This is valid. Again abstract M2 number. This one also valid. Again I take in static abstract M3 void. Why this is not invalid? If this is invalid, why this is invalid? Because static is not allowed. Because static is not allowed. That is the reason this is invalid. Simple answer. Right? Now, like that you need to tell. Now, okay, this is the combination of what is that? Valid and invalid abstraction, guys. So now with these examples, we are winding up what is that? Abstraction discussion. Now let's move on in the next discussion. That is what is that? Module system. Now people are ready for that.
Yes.
Yes.
Still you want can I continue the session or let's stop the session? What do you want? Continue.
Continue.
Take break and continue.
Ravi.
Oh, break you guys want?
You are continue your teaching.
5 minute. Okay, Thiru, you are saying 5 minute break. 5 minute break. Okay. How many people want break now, guys? Use the chat box. Use the chat box. Based on that priority, I will see. Session will be there, guys. Okay, session will be there. I will come because so much things is there. If I'm not, no break. Okay. If I'm not like taking today long session, then it will become problem for me only. I anyhow I want to start in next weekend onward Angular. So today, how long I want this like session break 5 to 10 minutes. Manjulata. What about others? Manohar break. Okay. 10-minute break.
Take tea and come back.
Okay, guys. So now let's take what is that? We will connect again. What is that? 4:40. Let's take 22-minute break, right?
Okay.
We will connect
Okay,
again.
Ravi.
4:40, right? 4:40 again we will connect and we will continue the session, guys. We will continue our session now. So let's take the break and we will return back again. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's stop it.
Thank you.